Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated and CarPlay is allowed. This prevents authentication errors. Next, plug the original Lightning cable into the Peugeot's USB port and your iPhone. Do not rely on wireless for first setup. Once connected, tap Apple CarPlay on the 3008 screen and accept prompts on your phone. This pairs the system. If a PIN appears, enter it exactly. These steps create the secure link the infotainment needs to display apps. Once CarPlay appears, customize the layout so the apps you use most are front and center. That reduces distraction on the road. Make sure navigation apps, messages, and music have notification permissions on the iPhone, so prompts show through CarPlay. Then set the audio source to CarPlay and test voice control. Press and hold the steering wheel button to invoke Siri. If voices sound low, adjust microphone and audio gains on the 3008. This improves call clarity and voice commands. To finish, run through navigation, a phone call, and music playback so you verify everything works in real driving conditions. If CarPlay disconnects, first swap to a known good certified cable and restart your iPhone and the 3008 infotainment. Often that clears handshake errors. If problems persist, remove the vehicle from iPhone CarPlay and re-add it, or reset the 3008 network and USB settings. That resets configurations that can block CarPlay. Remember, cable quality and iOS updates are the most common fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.